I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal Pay Later on StockX. First, ensure you have a PayPal account linked to your preferred payment method. PayPal Pay Later allows you to split eligible purchases into manageable installments, making high-value items more accessible. This service offers flexibility, letting you enjoy your new sneakers or collectibles sooner while spreading the cost over several weeks or months. It's a convenient way to manage your budget without delaying your next great find. When you're ready to complete your purchase on StockX, proceed to checkout and select PayPal as your payment option. If your order meets the minimum requirement, typically around $30, you will see the PayPal Pay Later options. You can then choose to split your payment into 4 interest-free installments, paid every 2 weeks, or opt for special financing over 6 months for larger purchases. This makes acquiring those sought-after items much more manageable. Once you've selected your preferred Pay Later option on StockX, you'll be seamlessly redirected to the PayPal platform to finalize your application. The process is designed to be very quick, often providing an instant decision within moments. PayPal conducts a soft credit check, which is important to note, as it will not affect your credit score. Always take a moment to carefully review the specific terms and conditions before confirming your choice to ensure it aligns with your financial plan. Before finalizing any Pay Later plan, it is crucial to fully understand all the terms and conditions, including your specific payment schedule and any potential fees. Always ensure that you can comfortably make all scheduled payments to avoid any late charges. You can easily monitor your PayPal account for payment reminders and to keep track of your outstanding balance. Using PayPal Pay Later responsibly can be a fantastic tool for managing your purchases effectively and acquiring items you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.